Hi Cindy, my name is Rachel. I'm a student nurse here at Linfield, and I'm going to be showing you how to use an incentive spirometer to keep your lungs healthy. The first step I'm going to have you do is sit at the edge of your chair, and if you're at home, you can also sit at the edge of your bed. You're going to sit up straight. You're going to have the spirometer facing the good, better, and best label facing towards you. And then before you exhale, put the mouthpiece on. That way it's a little bit easier. So you're going to exhale fully before you begin. Then you're going to place the mouthpiece inside your mouth and seal your lips around it. And you want to try to keep the flow indicator between better and best throughout the whole process. This marker over here was set by your doctor, so this is the goal we want you to reach when you inhale. So you're going to exhale fully. You're going to breathe in as slow and deep as possible. And then when you reach the point where you can't inhale anymore, you're going to hold your breath for 5 seconds, which allows the piston to fall back to 0. And of course, if you do feel lightheaded, slow down. Okay, so I will demonstrate for you. So I'm going to set the spirometer to where my doctor told me it needs to be. I'm going to sit up straight at the edge of the chair, and I'm going to exhale all the way. Just like that.
Easy.
Perfect. And then now I would like you to demonstrate it back to me so that way I can really understand and see if you understood how to use an incentive spirometer.
Okay.
But I will get you a fresh mouthpiece so you don't have to use the one I just used. And there you go. And then I'll take mine. Okay. And then I will watch you and see how you do.
So, I'm going to sit at the edge of the chair or my bed. I'm going to always try to stay between best and better, which is going to be facing me. I'm going to put the mouthpiece on.
Sometimes it's tricky. You got to kind of push to get the mouthpiece into the pipe.
Okay, I got it. This is going to be my goal, 2,000 milliliters inspired volume. I'm going to exhale, and then when I inhale, when I'm about to inhale, that's when I put the mouthpiece around my lips and then inhale.
Yes. And inhale as slow and deep as possible.
Okay.
Good. And just make sure to keep this, or try to keep it between the better and best, because that really allows your lungs to fully inflate, which in your case, it would be great.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, sounds good to me.
Thank you.
Yeah.